You don't get results by focusing on results. You get results by focusing on the actions that produce results. These words by Mike Hawkins convey a huge aspect related to success. You must have heard this somewhere or the other that we must focus on our actions and not care about results. Well, even assuming this fact is sometimes impractical or ridiculous for most of the people. They say that how one can't keep an eye on the result. It is the result which lets people do the process. And they are somewhat right in saying that. Infinite questions arise. Is it even possible? If yes, how is it possible? Does it have some benefit? And many more. Well, you have clicked on the right video and we will examine this field completely and will get to the correct most solution. Before jumping to the main portion, I would like to announce that there will be a shout out for a random person in the next video who subscribes the channel and comments I have subscribed. Anyways, let us first get clear with the meaning of the two words. Action or process here refers to the efforts which we put in performing a task, while result refers to the outcome of the task, which is produced after going through the process. The whole picture is the play of these two words only, namely efforts and outcome. It is a very unclear statement in its own to say that one shouldn't be affected by the result, and it is marketed that way that it creates confusion within people's heads. The major concept in reality is of control. It is about what is controllable and what is uncontrollable. The efforts which we put in are those which are controllables, while the results are always uncontrollable and are only affected by a fraction of our efforts. An example would be explaining it even better. Suppose that one would have planned that he is going to open a coaching institution in 2020. So here we can get what maximum he could do was that to get the resources, let his name reach the students, getting quality faculties, etc. But that's what is the only controllable. As we all know, the world was hit by a pandemic. There was negligible demand of offline coaching and everything shifted online. So it portrays that the control of result is never in your hands, even if you perform at your 200%, and hence we are left with the only thing to focus upon, that is efforts, that is action, that is the process. Our duty actually is to focus on how well can we perform a task and not to be influenced by the result. Naturally, if uncontrollables fall in place, then what matters is the quality of your work. As much you perform the task to the perfection, more is the chance that you will be gaining success in that particular field. Hence, our focus should be concentrated on the work, and excelling in that work must become our goal. Then gradually one realizes that the result is just a byproduct and is something to be least cared of in the journey to success. A point to be noted will be that I am not asking you all to be disconnected with the outcome. Obviously, one has to formulate plans according to changing needs and differing interpretations of the outcome. So keeping a vigilant eye on the result is of course a must. But I merely mean that the thought of possibilities of result must not wander in our heads. That is, one shouldn't be affected by the desire or fear regarding the result of the action. His or her duty is to do the work with whatever maximum capacity he or she has, because that's what can be done to let things fall in place. When we understand its essence completely and put it into practice, then gradually this comes naturally to us. As a conclusion, I would say that your right is only on the process and you lose your area of control other than that. So do what is appropriate without letting the thought of extreme probabilities strike your mind. So that's all with the video. Hope you got all the answers from it. For more such quality videos, please support us by subscribing the channel, sharing the video and hitting the like button. In case you still have any doubts or you have any suggestions for us, feel free to use the comment section. We'll meet in the next one. Till then, goodbye.